In this capstone lesson, we will bring together everything we have learned throughout the course to focus on designing a world-class inventory control system. This project challenges you to integrate key concepts, tools, and strategies to create an inventory management framework that achieves operational excellence, agility, and sustainability. A world-class inventory control system is built on a foundation of accuracy, visibility, and responsiveness. It connects every stage of the supply chain, from suppliers to customers, through real-time data and intelligent decision-making. Let's break down the essential components. The first step in designing your system is defining clear objectives. What are you optimizing for? Cost reduction, customer service, sustainability, or all three? Your goals will determine how you structure your policies, processes, and technologies. Leading organizations align their inventory strategies with overall business objectives to ensure long-term success. Next, focus on data accuracy and visibility. A world-class system relies on precise real-time data across all inventory touchpoints. Implementing barcode scanning, RFID, or IoT sensors ensures accurate tracking of materials and products. Integration with ERP and warehouse management systems, WMS, allows seamless data sharing between departments, reducing errors and enabling better decision-making. Forecasting and demand planning form the brain of your system. Use a combination of quantitative and qualitative forecasting techniques to predict future demand accurately. Advanced analytics, AI, and machine learning tools can continuously refine forecasts based on historical patterns, market shifts, and customer behavior. This ensures optimal stock levels while minimizing waste and stockouts. An effective inventory control system also includes segmentation and prioritization. Techniques such as ABC, VED, and FSN analysis help classify inventory by value, criticality, and movement rate. This allows for targeted control measures. High-value or critical items receive tighter monitoring, while low-value goods are managed with simpler methods. Automation and process optimization are key differentiators in modern systems. Automated reorder points, electronic data interchange EDI, and real-time alerts streamline replenishment and reduce manual intervention. Robotics and warehouse automation enhance picking accuracy and speed, while digital twins can simulate inventory scenarios to optimize decisions. Supplier collaboration is another cornerstone. Implementing vendor-managed inventory, VMI, or strategic sourcing partnerships ensures supply continuity and cost efficiency. Regular supplier performance reviews and shared forecasting data strengthen trust and responsiveness. A world-class system must also address risk management and resilience, incorporate safety stock calculations, multi-echelon optimization, and contingency plans to protect against disruptions. Use predictive analytics to identify potential bottlenecks or shortages before they occur. Sustainability is now a defining factor in modern inventory systems. Design your framework to support green practices, such as optimizing transportation routes, using eco-friendly packaging, and minimizing waste. These initiatives not only support environmental goals, but also improve efficiency and brand reputation. Human factors complete the system. Building a culture of accountability, continuous improvement, and innovation ensures that people remain at the heart of operational success. Encourage feedback, training, and collaboration across departments to sustain excellence over time. Finally, establish metrics and feedback loops to measure performance. Key indicators such as inventory turnover, fill rate, carrying cost, and order accuracy should be monitored continuously. Use dashboards and analytics tools to visualize performance and guide future improvements. In summary, designing a world-class inventory control system requires the integration of technology, process excellence, and human collaboration. By applying principles from this course, from demand forecasting and risk management to lean, sustainability, and data-driven decision-making, you can build a system that not only meets today's challenges, but sets new standards for the future of inventory excellence.